Need a cup of coffee. So I am using this. This is the MSR pocket stove, I think it's called. I'm using it with the Stanley Cup. So all I'm doing right now is boiling some water. And this only takes like 3 minutes to boil the water. It happens really, really fast. The stove is pretty powerful. And then I'm going to add the coffee into it. Let it sit. And then this is like a French press. So this will get shoved down into that cup. And there's a filter on the bottom here. It will leave the grinds on the bottom of the cup. And then I'll just pour that into another mug, into a coffee cup to drink. Super simple. Jackson.
What?
Why are you being so cute? Is there something that you want? Is there something that you want? What do you want? You want a marshmallow? Yeah. I'll give you a marshmallow, but you have to give your brother a marshmallow as well. Okay? So here's one for you. And here's one for your brother. While I make my coffee over here, okay? Okay, the water is coming up to a boil. It's about half a cup. I'm sorry, half one of these cups, which is about 2 cups of coffee. So now that this is boiling, I'm going to turn off this. Okay, turn that off. I take this out, super hot, and I'm going to put my coffee in here. Give that a little mix. And I'll cover it, and I set the timer. A Siri, set time. Oh, let's try this again. A Siri, set timer for 4 minutes. Okay, so the timer is now set. In 4 minutes, we'll be back. Okay, the alarm's just about to go off. But in the meantime, look, 2 matchsticks. One can't go through the other one. That's impossible. But if I just go like this, 1, 2, 3, it links. And for me to get it out, I just bring it out. Back, it's linked. And then, isn't that awesome? All right, the alarm's about to go off. Let's turn that alarm off. All right, now the next part. Take this down. And I take this off. And then I'm going to take the strainer for the French press. And I'm going to just push this down. And what's happening right now is the coffee grounds are staying at the bottom as the fluid comes through the strain on top. Just like that. And now I'm able to pour myself a nice cup of coffee. It's piping hot. And this will be good for the next, I'll drink this over 20 minutes. It's more coffee than I anticipated. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my coffee brewing video. Bye for now.